Hey adventurers and creators, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today, we're diving into one of the most versatile action cameras of 2025, the GoPro MAX 360, now bundled with a powerful accessory kit for ultimate creativity. Let's start with what makes this camera different: 360-degree capture. The MAX shoots immersive 5.6K 30 spherical video, allowing you to reframe your shots later or create stunning VR content. Whether you're mountain biking, snowboarding, skydiving, or vlogging, this camera gives you the flexibility to capture every angle all at once. Thanks to the latest upgrades in 2025, the GoPro MAX now comes equipped with the high-capacity 1600 mAh Enduro Battery, boosting performance in cold environments and significantly extending shooting time. That means longer sessions, less downtime, and better stability in extreme conditions. Audio is also impressive, with 6 built-in mics for directional stereo sound and wind noise reduction, perfect for vloggers or creators capturing natural ambience or voiceover without external gear. This camera is ready for anything with a rugged build and waterproofing up to 16 feet, it's designed for both wet and wild conditions. The included accessory kit gives you everything you need to mount it to bikes, helmets, tripods, or even handheld rigs via the universal 1/4-20 mounting system. GoPro's Max HyperSmooth stabilization delivers incredibly smooth footage even during action-packed sequences, while Max TimeWarp lets you capture ultra-stabilized, dynamic time lapses with minimal effort. And yes, it's also a top-tier vlogging camera. You can switch to hero mode for standard wide-angle GoPro shooting, take panoramic photos, or live stream in full HD with stabilization. From action sports and travel to professional content creation and VR experiments, the GoPro MAX 360 is your all-in-one storytelling tool. Grab yours using the Amazon link below, and if this review helped, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a drop, only here on Gadgetverse.